All right, so what we're going to do here is work on a fuel pump part. This part is called the rack. Okay, we have three features that we're going to contend with. Four features. All right, we have the revolve, the main body. We're going to make a revolve of this lower half. Then we're going to come back and remove material from the mid plane and create a little V. That V we're going to pattern at 20 spaces. 20 spaces, 2 millimeters apart. Okay. Let's not forget that this is a metric drawing. And after that, we're going to go ahead and add the little chamfer. It's 0.6 millimeters by 45. Okay. Let's go ahead and start. New part. Okay. Then we'll change this to millimeters. Revolve from the front plane. Let's make a center. All right. Create my midline. A rough shape of what I need. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and dimension this. This is supposed to be 73.5. Now we have 6 in diameter. From here to here, we have 6. Oops, it's supposed to be horizontal. We have 20. We have 50 in a diameter of 10. Okay. Anything else? Everything's black. We're good to go. Revolve. Check mark. All right. Now let's go ahead and remove one little tooth. Extrude cut from the front plane. Just going to go ahead and place a V here. And I'll dimension that in a little bit. All right. So we have the tooth at 47.5 millimeters from the right to the leftmost part of the tooth, and that's 47.5. We have the teeth, they're at 45-degree angles. Okay, 90 degrees apart. So I'm going to go ahead and place a dimension here. .90, and I need to place a reference line that's vertical, so I can place a dimension there. Make that 45. All right. So now, what's my depth? My depth is from the top to the bottom of the tooth. Has a depth of 3.5. To dedendum. Remove material. Mid plane. Through all. Through all both. There we go. Check mark. All right. That's it. Now we need to pattern this feature. Going to do a linear pattern. The numbers that we're going to use has a spacing of 2 millimeters, and we're going to have 20 of these. Okay, the direction that we're going to travel, let's see if this works. Okay, can we have a Let's see. I need to select maybe from a plane. I'll set from a plane the direction. But I don't have a straight line, that's why. What if I turn on my axis? Alright, go ahead and select that. There we go. It's not direction 2, it's direction 1. Okay, that's the direction. And my... Let me go ahead and start this again.
Sorry. Did you put the 2 in between them?
The 2 what?
The space in between the tick marks?
No.
Or you don't put that till after?
What space are you talking about?
Right now. Is it 2?
I did a spacing of 2. Is that I didn't select the axis.
Oh, okay.
Alright, and go. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do a pattern of the feature linear pattern, and the direction that I'm going is, this is the direction. Features would be the cut, and I have spacing of 2 millimeters and 20 of them. Check mark. Okay. Then I need to apply a 0.6 by 45 chamfer. .6 by 45. Select the chamfer. And that Alright, don't know why it selected both ends. And go ahead and select chamfer. 0.6. There we go. There it is. And that's how you make the rack for the fuel pump part.